put the load right on me. Pick up my bag, went searching for a place to hide. When I see no coming and the devil come walking up side by side, I said, hey, come on girl, let's go downtown. Come and said I got to go, but my friend Jen can stick around. Take a load of it, take a load for free. Take a load of it, put the load right on me. Go down this motels, ain't nothing left you can say. That's just my cousin Luke, and it's waiting on Judgment Day. I said, hey Luke, what about your enemy? He said, do me a favor, son, won't you stick around and keep her company? I said, yes, sir. Take a load of it, take a load for free, take a load of it, and put the load right on me. You put it right on me. Just a fire man, he called me up in the fog. He said I could fix your rag if you'll take Jack, my dog. I said, hey Chester, you know that I would be so glad. He said, that's okay, son, just feed away when you can. And take a load of it, take a load for free. Take a load of it, and you put the load right on me. You put it right on me. Try to catch a cannonball, but chase me on down the line. My back is sinking low, and I do believe that it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know that she's the only one. You sit back here with her, regards to everyone. Take a load of it, take a load for free, take a load of it, and put the load right on me. You put it right on me. You put it right on me. Oh, sweetie. You put it right on me. guys. Hope you had a good time. Backing my boy Ben up today. It's his gig. We play in a group called Slave to a Name.